In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a Dave & Buster's card to an Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the process of adding and managing your Dave & Buster's card directly from your Apple Wallet. Before I start, I want to make it very clear that you will only have the option to link a Dave & Buster's digital power card to the Apple Wallet, so keep that in mind. The only type of card which is eligible to be added to an Apple Wallet, like I said, is a digital power card. So if you haven't acquired one of those already, go to their website or the mobile app and browse through all of the options until you acquire a digital power card from Dave & Buster's. After you are done registering and acquiring one of those, you will be able to add them to an Apple Wallet when you switch over to the Cards tab. Inside of the Cards tab, you will be able to add the card and then tap on Manage to add it to an Apple Wallet. You will be able to combine the physical card onto the digital card, usually at a front desk when you visit any physical locations. So all that you have to do after you have the digital power card ready is to tap the option to manage it and then select the option to view in the Apple Wallet. The card will be imported over and all of the details, including the nickname for the card, the tickets, the VR plays, and the total chips will appear directly inside of your Apple Wallet. It makes the process of using the card very convenient as well, because as long as your phone has NFC capabilities enabled, you can physically place it near any card reader where you can use the digital power card for Dave & Buster's, and the amount will be taken straight from your balance. So if you haven't acquired one of those already, make sure you register and sign up to use the digital power card so you can add the card to an Apple Wallet or any sort of digital wallet that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to add the Dave & Buster's card to an Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tips. Thank you for watching.